For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, and then my heart with pleasure fills, and dances with the daffodils. These daffodils, these beautiful, lovely children, they are the ones who are the heart and throb of this institution. When I behold them, I can't but only love and respect them. In their smiling eyes, I see God. I see dreams, which I try to understand. In them, I see all beauty, truth, innocence, purity, and all joy, a joy forever. And then my heart is filled with a pleasure, a melody, an excitement, and gratitude on being associated with this beautiful institution called DAV Public School, Noida. The school, which was established by DAV CMC in 1985, has completed its 29 glorious years and stands tall and proud by creating a remarkable place for itself in Delhi and NCR, and has thus become the first choice of parents. The seed, which was sown in a small rented building, is now blossoming over 5 acres of land in Noida's Sector 56 in a huge modernized building which is par excellence. The school houses rooms for everything to anything. That is, from swing rooms, high-tech labs, well-equipped computerized libraries, audio-visual rooms, multi-purpose halls, gym, billiard room, yoga room, rooms for indoor and outdoor games, to spacious digital classrooms equipped with smart boards installed in all the classrooms, including labs, multimedia room. Keep smiling is the main dictum which right from the President DAV CMC Shri Poonam Suri ji to each and every member of DAV family is following spiritually. This smile with which each face of DAVians is glowing reflects and denotes their confidence, positive attitude, goodness, kindness, and all other good qualities of head and heart. Our students have always excelled in their class 10th and 12th board results. This year too, in class 10th, the result was 100%. Out of 159 students, 74 students got A1 and 146 got A2 in various subjects. 30 students got CGPA 9 and above. In class 12th, the performance of the students was outstanding with 299 distinctions, and a large number of students got 90% and above in various subjects. In science stream, Prateek Kumar Singh topped with 96%, and in commerce stream, Shruti Bisht topped by getting 95% in aggregate.
Each student is different in his own. Keeping this thing in mind, we have introduced a concept of block teaching. Our class is divided in 2 groups, and they are given additional help in the area in which they seek improvement.
This year, our many students got selected in IITs, medical colleges, engineering colleges, and other professional colleges. We feel proud to announce that Abhishek Kumar, the son of a street hawker, got selected in IIT-Z with 717 rank All India and stood 3rd in Noida. He is an inspiration for all the students.
अभिषेक को जब भी कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ी, स्कूल ने पूरा सहयोग उन्हें दिया। मैं इसके लिए सारला चोपड़ा DAV पब्लिक स्कूल को, सारे सदस्य को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ।
These academic laurels have been achieved by our students with all smiles on their faces and while maintaining the fine line of balance. It is here that our school's role is to facilitate children to maintain the balance. That training is started at the beginning of the journey of school life, where we have implemented no homework, no bag system up to class 2, and from class 3 onwards we have been working towards lighter bags and have thus succeeded to achieve our mission of developing our children into cheerful,
and smiling personalities.
The thing which has fascinated us most is no bag, no homework system. This system makes learning more enjoyable and interesting rather than a burden to a child.
Value education is an integral part of the school curriculum.
And at an early age, students are introduced to a rich Vedic heritage. Special assemblies are organized and Vedic Havan is performed daily. Arya Samaj, DAV Noida works as a strong and active unit of Arya Pradeshik Pratinidhi Sabha, New Delhi. Every year, we celebrate occasions like Swami Dayanand Divas and Mahatma Hansraj Day. Birth anniversary of Mahatma Anand Swami Ji is marked with great reverence. All these celebrations aim at infusing values in young minds. Who get inspired from the lives of our great rishis, saints, and social reformers. The school has also played a pivotal role in sensitizing students towards day-to-day social issues and also aims at creating environment-conscientious leaders of tomorrow. For this, a plethora of activities is organized in the school campus. Blood donation camps were also organized under the banner of Arya Pradeshik Pratinidhi Sabha.
In the Project Children Forest program associated with OISCA,
a team of scholars from Japan visited the school and planted trees in the school premises, discussed and interacted on the ways to save Earth and get the best out of waste.
Cleanliness drives are also a regular feature.
Very recently, the school organized Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan with gusto. The whole school, its surroundings and nearby sectors of Noida were cleaned by the staff and students of the school under this project. A rally was also brought out by the students of the school to make people aware about cleanliness.
Saksham School in Nithari for underprivileged children has been adopted by our school,
wherein our school students regularly visit, celebrate festivals with them and bring smiles on those faces.
Each day in school is an eventful day, as we believe
that learning is not limited to the textbooks alone. The school's event calendar is a major part of the curriculum. Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, World Dance Day, World Heritage Day, fashion shows, talent show, Christmas celebrations, Guru Nanak's birthday, Eid, Janmashtami, science and art exhibition, Hindi and Sanskrit week, Kavi Sammelans, club activities make each day a new joy, a new experience and a step towards new creation, new srijan. Vebgyor, a colorful fiesta of inter-school and intra-school activities, is organized every year to bring young minds together at one platform. This year also, this creative bonanza was a thumping success, in which as many as 30 schools from Delhi and NCR participated.
In addition to this,
the school feels elated to host concerts by the world-renowned artists under the aegis of SPICMACE. The galaxy of artists who have given their live performances over the years are Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Mrs. Rita Ganguly, Pandit Prasunna Joshi, Pandit Jai Kishanji Maharaj, Mrs. Meeta Pandit, Mrs. Shobana Narayan, Mrs. Deepti Omchari Bhalla, Shri Rajinder Gangani, Uma Shankar, to name a few. Knowing that today's children are the leaders of tomorrow, they are made the members of Students' Council, who in turn help in smooth functioning of the school.
The school provides children with such opportunities which prepare them not only for 21st century skills but also develop in them a global perspective of things.
In keeping pace with the changing trends in technology and teaching methods, and to make students, parents, and teachers work hand in hand, various interactive sessions, workshops, and seminars are organized throughout the year. Counseling and training sessions are a part of the curriculum of the school.
Think always think of positive about your children. Positive things you should search for more and you will get those more. Mention those more instead of the negative traits. And negative traits also are a part of every personality.
I certainly believe that counseling is a therapeutic relationship between the child and the counselor, and both of them work together for the betterment of the child.
In the monthly meetings of staff, every time one teacher volunteers to take 20 to 25 minutes session in which she shares her knowledge with her colleagues to make teaching learning process better. Enlightening sessions with Dr. A.K. Sharma, our respected chairman, are organized frequently for the science students of class 11th and 12th.
Intuition, then you want to discover an experimental verification of that idea. And once you get that verification, it becomes being an established science.
We are proud of our alumni who have made a mark
not only in academics but also in sports and have excelled in all walks of life. The school fosters a lifelong bond with them through alumni meets every year under DAV United.
I am Ganesh Pandey. I am a chartered accountant and completed my MBA Finance in the year 2010. I was a topper of the school in 2004 and actually give whole credit to the school teachers and principal to actually helping out in my whole career.
So the school is an arena where children through various ways learn the art of living.
All children must play, as we firmly believe in the dictum, a healthy mind in a healthy body. While some children play for competitions, all children must play one or the other game to keep their mind and body fit. Throughout the year, yoga classes and daily 10 minutes meditation is a part of each class curriculum. The Department of Physical Education and Sports, with Mrs. Amita Joshi as the head, works with the motto of promoting sports and health culture among the students. The school boasts of best skating rink, basketball court, volleyball court, badminton court, table tennis hall, and football grounds. The school has made its mark in various inter-school, district, zonal, national, and international level sports.
I am a black belt holder in karate from Japan. I won 2 silver medals in international level championship held at Japan and Delhi. I also won gold medal in tournaments held in Talkatora Stadium in Delhi.
Mohit Sisodia, the international football player,
was runner-up in Indo-Nepal Mini Football Championship held at Nepal in September 2014. He was declared a winner at state-level event in AD Astra Mini Olympics 2013. Has been selected as a player for Singa Cup from 3rd November 2014 at Singapore. Selected as player for India under football in International Football Tournament which will be held at Malaysia 2015. He has been selected by CBSE and Ministry of HRD to visit Japan for 1 week for promotion of Indian sports. Likhita Shrivastava of class 6th, a budding sports personality, is a national level achiever in badminton.
She was winner in girls single in Delhi state ranking under 15.
She also won East District Open Badminton Championship in July 2014. She also won first prize in under 13 singles, semi-finalist in under 15 singles, and also a runner-up in under 17 singles. Keep it up, Likhita.
My daughter Likhita Shrivastava is playing since the age of 7 years, and I really thanks first of all to the DAV school who has supported her in terms of playing their own sports.
Priha Shrilal.
winner of more than 90 awards at an age of 14 years. Recently, she has won 2 more gold medals in CBSE East Zone Skating Championship held at DPS Ghaziabad in October 2014. She has won 1 gold medal in 5th Noida Open Roller Skating Championship 2014 held at Noida Stadium in April 2014. She has been gold medal achiever in road race and rink race 500 meters in CBSE East Zone skating competition since 2009. She was also crowned with Khiladi, the Best Skater Award in 2011.
Skating is my life, skating is my passion. I am Yudi of Sarla Chopra DAV Public School of 7th. I am a national level skating champion. I have won 60 medals in various competitions such as Kolhapur, Noida, Chandigarh, Amritsar, etc.
Very glad to be here. My kid Priha Shelal and Yudish Shelal are very blessed children because they are in DAV.
Apurva of class 10th
won 2 silver medals in Noida Open Roller Skating Championship in April 2014.
He also won 1 silver and 1 bronze medal in Delhi State Open Roller Skating Championship.
Dhruv, the national level badminton player,
was a winner of gold medal in CBSE East Zone and in DAV National Sports. Was also a runner-up in boys single under 19 in All India Rajiv Gandhi Gold Cup.
I am proud to be a national level athlete. I am a gold medalist in NCR Inter-School Marathon and CBSE Marathon.
Saksham was declared a winner in under 17 boys in District Badminton Championship held at Dharamshala HP in August 2014.
Anirudh of class 12 was declared a winner in under 18 single
double lawn tennis championship organized by ATA in January 2014. He was also runner-up in All India Talent Series held at New Delhi in August 2014.
Our tiny tots are not far behind in any field,
be it academics or sports. Shaurya Sharma of class 3 won silver medal in CBSE East Zone Skating Championship in 2014. Vanshika and Tanushri of class 4 got 4th and 6th positions respectively in UP State Yoga Championship held at Lucknow in October 2014. Our under 10 and under 8 yoga team had participated in 5th National Yoga Championship. Parth, Chavi, Payal and Tanushri have secured 2nd, 4th, 5th and 6th positions respectively.
Nikunj of class 4 had secured 3rd position during the championship.
I won many competitions in yoga and I gone for Delhi State Yoga Championship where I won a gold medal. I am grateful to my coach, my sports teacher and my parents for supporting me. It is my dream to participate in International Yoga Championship.
Manas Thakkar of class 5th, national level karate player,
was a winner in first SSKFI tournament held in 2014.
Won 2 bronze medals in 10th Independence Cup All India Karate Championship held at Talkatora Stadium. Every year, we organize DAV National Sports at cluster and zonal level. This year too, very recently, we organized all the events for Cluster 14 girls and handball at zonal level.
To inculcate the habit of playing among all our children, we also organized 2 days annual sports meet
in our school from 22nd December 2013 to 23rd December 2013 with the motto of promoting sports and health culture among the students. In this meet, 100% students from LKG to 12th participated in different events.
Teaching and non-teaching staff
and more than 100 parents also participated in this meet in various events.
Hence, every child counts and every child is important.
The Department of Performing Arts, headed by Mrs. Swapna Chakrabarti, along with the experienced teachers, is an enthusiastic unit and is doing its best to bring accolades to the school and generate interest among the students in the field of music and dance.
In Delhi Pratibha Puraskar competition organized by Art and Cultural Trust of India on 19th December 2013, Vivish of our school got the first prize in tabla. Arjit Shrivastava got the second prize in Hindustani classical vocal. Nikita Hegde of class 9th won second prize in classical dance.
I got the title of Noida Idol and Voice of Noida and was also selected among top 15 Indian Idol 6. I also got an opportunity to record an album with Anuradha Podwal. It is the initiative and motivation of my principal and teachers that I am presently preparing for All India Radio Yuva Mani that will help me tremendously to take up my passion as a profession.
Nikita Hegde of class 9th is a classical dancer who has already won many awards in various state
and national level competitions at this small age of 13 years. In Bal Kala Utsav, National Festival of Dance and Music, she won first prize in solo dance and first prize in duet. The school provides ample opportunities to enhance artistic skills of the budding artists. Kshitij Rawat, a national awardee, was selected at state level art competition organized by Bureau of Energy Efficiency.
My journey in DAV started from class LKG onwards. Painting is my hobby and I love to draw. I won an award in painting competition organized by Yangming Shipping Corporation, Taiwan.
Ananya Sinha, UKG Daffodil, got first prize and Shrestha, UKG Daffodil, got second prize in All India Camel Color Contest at regional level. On Earth Day, in poster making competition organized by Ministry of Earth Sciences, our students won many prizes. First prize was won by Harshit Nautiyal of class 7C, second prize was won by D. Abhishek of class 8D and Kshitij Rawat of class 9th.
Myself Nandita Mishra of class 12C. I am a proud student of Sarla Chopra DAV Public School. I have won meritorious award for on-the-spot painting competition in Life Skills Summit organized by CBSE at international level and was declared one of the top 12 students of schools across India and abroad.
Our science department, with a strong team of 12 teachers in senior wing, is busy throughout the year. To name some of their achievements, Abhishek Kumar brought glory to the school by getting 119 All India rank in Kishore Vigyanik Protsahan Yojana aptitude test conducted by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He has also cleared National Standard Exam in Physics conducted by Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. He was also one of the students selected among 300 students presenting India by scoring 57th rank at All India level.
In science project making competition organized by HT Pace,
Pankaj Jha of class 9th brought laurels to the school by winning first prize for his project No Pollution Cycle. It was held on 23rd April 2014.
I have made this electric cycle which reduced the manual effort in cycling. From the day first I have started learning science. I wanted to make something new. This is possible because of my science teacher who gave wings to my imagination.
Shikhar Varshne of class 10th of our school was selected out of 74 students from North India under OISCA Foundation for studying in higher education in Japan.
Science exhibition is also organized every year, in which students prepare different models and undertake many activities which help them in learning science by doing.
The literary prowess of the students is no less.
मैं प्रभा चतुर्वेदी काव्य जगत में राजा के नाम से जाना जाता हूँ। मैंने डीएवी विद्यालय में 2004 में प्रवेश लिया। मेरी काव्य यात्रा दोहों से शुरू हुई, फिर गीतों कविताओं से होती हुई गज़लों और मुक्तक तक पहुँची है। मेरी प्रतिभा को संवारने में मेरे अध्यापकों एवं विद्यालय का विशेष योगदान रहा है और लेखन के साथ साथ मुझे क्रिकेट और स्नूकर खेलने का भी शौक़ है। हर एक बंदा खुदा का मंदिरों मस्जिद में उलझा है, इन्हें बाहर निकालो, सच से इनका सामना तो हो। इन्हें वैदिक धर्म की सीख देना भी ज़रूरी है कि इनमें धर्म प्रेरित आर्यवर्ती भावना तो हो।
In other achievements, Tane Mishra
cleared NTSC exam by getting 100 rank in state and 1257 at national level.
I have to say more, but where to start? Go back to 2007. when I was searching for a school to admit my two children, Tanay and Tamal. I have narrowed down one school, that is DAV at Noida Sector 56. After 8 years, I feel proud that my son and daughter, they are studying in DAV public school.
Parents' role is most vital in the growth of a child. The school feels privileged that all the parents have always participated in all the events and programs of the school enthusiastically.
Whether it is any training program, career fair, blood donation camp, annual day, sports meet, Havan Jajje, Bhajan Sandhya, or above all, the PTMs.
They also provide good feedback to us and thus also help us in making the school better and better in all spheres. Today, I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to them for their sense of belongingness and for their immense cooperation.
I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to my team of dedicated staff members whose devotion and relentless efforts have always helped each student to excel to the core.
In the end, I would like to rededicate myself to the cause of education and to the service of children and nation. I assure you all, on behalf of my team members, that under the inspiring guidance of our President DAV-CNC, Shri Poonam Suri ji, the Chairman Dr. A.K. Sharma ji, the Vice Chairman Shri Ravindra Kumar ji, the Manager Shri R.K. Sethi ji, we all will work towards a shared vision with commitment and renewed vigor in the years to come and take the school to further heights. To conclude, I quote, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep." As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also said, the dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is which does not let you sleep. Thank you very much.